Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer images into Adalo using S3 detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring images into Adalo using Amazon S3, first, you need to create an Amazon S3 account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, navigate to the S3 dashboard. Click on the Create Bucket button to create a new storage bucket. Choose a unique name for your bucket and select your desired region. Review the settings and click on Create Bucket to finalize the process. Next, upload the images you want to transfer into Adalo. Select your newly created bucket and click on the Upload button. Drag and drop your image files or click Add Files to select them from your device. Once you have added your images, click on Upload to begin the process. After the upload is complete, select the uploaded image. Open the Object URL section to find the direct link to the image. Copy the object URL, as you will need it for Adalo. Now, log into your Adalo account. Go to the app where you want to add the images. Select the database where you wish to store image URLs. Create a new property for your image and set its type to image. In the property settings, you can add the URL of your S3 image. Paste the copied object URL from S3 into the image property. Make sure to save your changes. You can now display the image in your app by using the image component. To do this, drag and drop an image component onto your screen. Link the image component to the relevant property in your database. Your image should now display correctly within your Adalo application. Test the functionality to ensure that the image appears as intended. You have successfully transferred images into Adalo using Amazon S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.